scope it out. Pump one, young, short, stout bitch that had some Daisy Dukes on. She told me she was here from Texas, but fellas, check this. I like a pretty necklace. She flexing in the Lexus. She choosing me to be her man, but I can't be her man, cause I'm a nigga, don't you understand? Thinking about my nigga Johnny and my nigga Pajo. What you know of Millington, ho is what they died for. So I maintain and constantly shoot that game. Blunts in my brain got me reaching for that thing. It better not be a setup, cause Colione gon' cut up on all you militant hoes like I know I am supposed. Plus my nose done froze. This hoe finna lick my toes. I done got her on that fruit, and now she taking off my clothes like she wanna suck the dick of the MAC, capital T, Colione. That new militant hoe know it's on, it's on.
A hoe is a hoe, well what do you know? You claim you ain't know. I tried to tell you so, not to trust a militant hoe. A hoe is a hoe, well what do you know? You claim you ain't know. I tried to tell you so, not to fuck with a militant hoe.
Militant hoes ain't no joke, cause they smoke plenty of dope. Y'all get broke if I think they tryna take me for my dope. I can't lie, I'm so high, and this bitch is by my side, but she don't know that Coley peeping out the corner of his eye. Back on the track, slagging the crack, and I'm talking about these militant hoes, staying 10 toes down like I know I am supposed to do. Little bitch, I really thought you knew that if you suck my dick that you gon' have to do the crew too. Now who the blame for making you suck that thing? You better not call my name, cause I just might go insane. Explain the game with another bitch name. How the fuck you get the fame? Nifty 50s in my hand as you bust a table dance for some busters in the club, showing plenty love. Baby, baby, what's up? Cause you left me for that nigga, got me drinking plenty liquor. The devil must have kissed you, because I never miss you. Me and Willie got it going on, about to drop a bomb, talking about you nasty hoes coming straight from Millington.
A hoe is a hoe, well what do you know? You claim you ain't know. I tried to tell you so, not to trust a militant hoe. A hoe is a hoe, well what do you know? You claim you ain't know. I tried to tell you so, not to fuck with a militant hoe. The hoe is a hoe, well what do you know? You claim you ain't know. I tried to tell you so, not to trust a militant hoe. A hoe is a hoe, well what do you know? You claim you ain't know. I tried to tell you so, not to fuck with a militant hoe.
Bitches on my motherfucking dick, they wanna step to me, but constantly I just toss them up. Now do you feel me? Roasting, toasting all these hoes, making them suck my nigga dick. If she don't suck that dick, I'ma hit that bitch in the back with a brick. Now do your job, lick my knob. I don't wanna see no slob. Lick that dick like corn on the cob. Slap you with that plastic block. When you through, sip some brew. Hurry up, ho, cause you ain't through. Doing the click, sucking the dick. Damn, you do some nasty shit, so blow your nose and lick my toes. I'm talking about you militant hoes.
Yeah, man, what's wrong with these punk ass militant hoes, man? You know what I'm saying? Niggas just only trying to be down for their punk ass and shit like that, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what's going on and everything, you know what I'm saying? But fuck these bitches, you know what I'm saying? I can move on like the next nigga do. Man, just tell me, man, what's wrong with these hoes?
Man, I believe them crazy ass hoes on that dope, but I don't even fuck around though.
Yeah, man, you right, man. You know what I'm saying? I could dig it. Fuck that shit, man. I'm finna go get me a beer.